line. Good morning, sun, we rise and shine. Baby Bop wiggles, feeling fine. Toto tries to oopsie flip. Mama catches him, no trip, no slip.
You just watched a video created entirely with free AI tools. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can create your own stunning, high-quality 3D animation videos just like this one without spending a dime. Before we dive in, if you're serious about mastering free AI video creation, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It's the best way to support the channel and ensure you never miss our next powerful AI tutorial. Thank you so much. The first and most crucial step is getting our script and lyrics. For this, we'll use the undisputed king of text generation, ChatGPT, which is completely free. Open your browser, navigate to chat.openai.com and sign up or log in. Now, we need a highly specific prompt to get a story that is easy to animate. Copy and paste this exact command into the chat. You can grab this full prompt and all the others I use in the description box below this video. ChatGPT will instantly deliver a complete, ready-to-animate, under 3-minute nursery rhyme storyline. To make our video look professional, we need consistent characters. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate detailed descriptions that will act as our character reference prompts. Type in our second prompt, which reads, I will generate images for the story, help identify all the characters in the story, and describe their appearance in order to help generate consistent characters. ChatGPT has now identified all the characters in the story and described their appearance as well. Now type in the third prompt that reads, image prompts for each character. As you can see, we now have detailed, ready-to-use prompts for every character in our song. This is the key to achieving that consistent 3D look. Now let's generate those characters. Open a new tab and search for Google Whisk. Click on the first link. If you're new, click on Sign in with Google to get signed up. Complete any necessary steps like clicking on the agreement boxes and scrolling to continue. Once you're in, click on Browse Gallery and then enter Tool on the next page. Once you have logged into Google Whisk, begin character generation by clicking the black arrow beneath the menu icon. Determine the necessary number of subject boxes for your story's characters and add them using the plus sign. Copy the character prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into the Whisk subject boxes, and generate the corresponding images. Next, return to ChatGPT and use the prompt. Craft visual generation prompts for each scene or frame. Generate and download these scene images from Whisk sequentially. Download your preferred images from the generated scene images. For animation, upload the downloaded images to Grok, input the relevant image prompts, and convert them into video clips. To create the audio, copy your lyrics and navigate to Suno AI. After signing up, use the custom creation mode, paste the lyrics, and apply the following style. Kids vocals, soft, upbeat, playful nursery rhyme, tempo, approximately 110 to 120 beats per minute, key C major. Generate the audio, select your preferred track, noting the free usage constraints, and download it. Finally, import all videos and the audio track into your preferred editor. Adjust the scene timing either by reducing clip speed or duplicating short clips to fully cover the length of the song, and there you have it. A professional-looking 3D animated nursery rhyme video created from start to finish using nothing but powerful free AI tools. If you found this guide helpful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up on the video. What other type of AI video tutorial would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments.